Welcome students, today I explain the theory of surfaces. There are 2 or more lectures to come for this topic. So I request you please concentrate. Now let us start with the definition of surface. A surface is the locus of a point P of xyz which satisfies some restriction, as a consequence of which the coordinates of P of xyz satisfy a relation of the form P of xyz equals to 0. This is also called the implicit equation of a surface. And the definition of parametric equation of a surface is: the parametric equation of a surface are of the form x equals to f of uv, y equals to g of uv, and z equals to h of uv, where u and v are parameters in some domain D. And the definition of parametric equation of a surface of class R is: let the parametric equation of a surface R of the form x equals to f of uv, y equals to g of uv, and z equals to h of uv, where u and v are parameters in some domain D. If f, g and h are single-valued and continuous and possess continuous partial derivatives of the Rth order, then the surface is said to be of class R. And the definition of curvilinear coordinate is: let the parametric equation of a surface R of the form f of uv, y equals to g of uv, and z equals to h of uv, where u and v are parameters in some domain D. Then u and v are said to be curvilinear coordinate. Here we is some examples of parametric equation. Now the definition of parameter transformation is: two representation of a same surface are related by parameter transformation of the form u dash equals to phi of uv, and v dash equals to omega of uv. Now the definition of proper parameter transformation is: a parameter transformation u dash equals to phi of uv, and v dash equals to omega of uv is said to be proper if phi of uv and omega of uv are single-valued functions and del of phi, omega by del of uv is not equals to 0 in some domain D. Lastly, the definition of ordinary point is: an ordinary point is defined as the vector product of R1 cross R2 is not equals to 0, where R1 equals to del R del U and R2 equals to del R del V, where R of UV is a parametric curve. Finally, the property of ordinary point is: an ordinary point is unaltered by proper parameter transformation. The explanation is: I hope you can understand the basic definitions. Kindly take a note this lecture. In the next lecture I will explain some other definitions.